everyone, welcome to my channel again. This is the second video of the CFA Level 3 exam revision series. And today I'm going to talk about rolling yield, which is again another concept within the fixed income section of the exam. So it's pretty simple. Rolling yield equals the coupon income plus the roll down return, which is the return gained or lost from the price change of the bond. So if we put them into equations, coupon income equals the average annual coupon payment divided by, this is important to remember, divided by the current bond price, not by the par value or expected price at the end of investment horizon, because that's often given to you in the exam problem as a distraction. But what you are looking for is the current bond price. And for roll down return, you just use the expected price at the end of the investment horizon and detract the current price and then divide it by the current price of the bond. Then you have the roll down return. And when you put the two parts of the equations together, then you get the rolling yield. One thing that might be worth noting is that there is another concept that's very easy to be confused with the rolling yield in fixed income. And the other concept is called the roll yield or the roll return, which is in the currency management section. So roll yield or roll return is not to be confused with the rolling yield or the roll down return in fixed income. So there are in total 3 different concepts. So just very quickly, roll yield is the return you may gain, or it could be a loss, from rolling your forward contract in the currency market. So when you are selling a particular currency and the forward rate is higher than the spot rate, then when you do when you roll your contract, you will have a positive roll yield, and vice versa. So if the forward rate in the currency market for the currency you are selling is less than the spot rate, then you have a negative roll yield. I will record another video on roll yield for the currency management. I almost got it wrong there, because I think it deserves a video of its own. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it useful, and to my future self as well, I hope you find it useful. If you like this video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and I will very much appreciate it. Until next time. Bye for now.